Welcome back. Let's start with example 3.10. Graph using intercepts. So we first find X-intercept. To find X-intercept, set y equals 0. Set y equals 0 in the given equation. So that's your equation. You want to set y equals 0. So that gets me 3 times 0 is 0. 4x minus 0 is 12. 4x is 12. Divide both sides by 4. And you get x equals 3. So you got 1 point, which is the x-intercept. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0. In the same way, we try to find y-intercept. How do you find y-intercept? Set x equals 0. Set x equals 0 in the original equation. 4 times 0 minus 3y is 12. 4 times 0 is 0, minus 3y is 12. Minus 3y is 12. Divide both sides by negative 3. This gives us negative 3's cancel. Y equals 12 over negative 3 is negative 4. So you have your y-intercept. That is point x coordinate 0, y coordinate negative 4. Alright. So you found x and y intercepts. Now you want to find a third point. To find a third point, set either x or y variable to some number of your liking other than zeros. Okay. Set, say, x equals 1. In your given equation, 4 times 1 minus 3y is 12. 4 minus 3y is 12. Subtract 4 from both sides. Negative 3y equals 12 minus 4 is an 8. Divide both sides by negative 3. Alright. Negative 3's cancel. Y equals negative 8 over 3. So notice you need to estimate this. So it's negative. How many 3's go in 8? 2 3's go in 8. 3 times 2 is 6. What's the remainder? Remainder is 2 with quotient with the divisor 3. So 2/3 is the fractional part of this mixed number. Okay. So now you have the 3 points. What are the 3 points? First point is x-intercept, which is 3, 0. Second point is the y-intercept, 0, negative 4. And the third point, x is 1 and y is negative 2, 2/3. Okay, so you have these 3 points. Now we are ready to plot these points. X coordinate 3, y coordinate 0. That is, you don't go up and down, just stay at 3, 0 on the x-axis. Y coordinate is negative 4. And x coordinate is 0. So this is your y-intercept at 0, negative 4. The third point is x coordinate 1, Y coordinate negative 2/3, -1, -2, and -2 2/3. So it's a bit closer to 3. All right. So those are your 3 points. We are ready to graph our line joining these 3 points. All right. Okay. So let's name the points. X coordinate 3, 0. Y coordinate 0, -4. And a third point, 1, -2 2/3. Okay. And the line in question is 4x minus 3y is 12. That's your graph. All right, so let's go. The next similar problem using intercepts. So first we find X-intercept. How do you find X-intercept? Set y 0. Set y 0 in your original equation. Okay. 5x minus 2 times 0 equals 10. 5x equals 10. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 2. So your X-intercept is X coordinate 2, Y coordinate 0. Now find Y-intercept. How do you find Y-intercept? Set X equals 0. Where do you put X equals 0? In your original equation. 5 times 0 minus 2y is 10. 5 times 0 is 0 minus 2y is 10. Negative 2y is 10. Fraction, negative 2y over negative 2 is fraction. 10 over negative 2, you divide both sides by negative 2 to cancel. Y equals positive over negative is negative, 10 over 2 is a 5. So you have your Y-intercept 0, -5. All right. Now find the third point. You have to set either X or Y to some number other than 0. So I set it to 1. So in my original equation, 5 minus 2y is 10. Subtract 5 from both sides. You have negative 2y is 5. Divide both sides by negative 2. That gets you. These two cancel. Y is negative. 5 over 2 is 2.5. So you have your third point, X coordinate 1, Y coordinate -2.5. Okay, this is the third point. Now you are ready to write down all the points, all the 3 points we have, right? So what are the points? First, X-intercept 2, 0. Next, Y-intercept 0, -5. And lastly, the third point, 1, -2.5. Okay, now we are ready to graph. Start with 2, 0. That is your X-intercept. 0, negative 5. That is my y-intercept. 1, negative 2.5. X coordinate 1, y coordinate negative 2.5. So precisely between negative 2 and negative 3. These are the 3 points. We are ready to draw the line joining these 3 points. Okay, so let's write down the points. 2, 0 is your x-intercept. 0, negative 5 is your y-intercept. 1, negative 2.5 is your third point. What was the equation of the line? 5x minus 2y equals 10. 5x minus 2y equals 10. That's your line. Okay, so we can continue similarly in our next video. Until then, bye.